ka jingis nok tilang bat ki pai pa nong song snong hakari bat ka parthai bra away menta kala sniu blay ka apply terib bear a cha pnriu ka tanat public health engineering West Khasi Hills kala plong ya ka jeng ke kerpa ka sngi penne ya kom ba mum di ka bla tip kom ka world water day ringkan bat ka jingkan mau ka sngi ka sorka pedeng kala pentre kam ya ka scheme bakerpang ban penne pensa ki tolong ka bla tip kom ka Jaal Arpaan Lingba ka Jaal Jivan Mission ya kate ka jing Rakhe la plong hatter Sam Hall Harper's jong Deputy Commissioner West Khasi Hills hakate ka sngi la penya ya ka jing lang daga kong Merciful Palyan haringkan ka jing lang jong uba LO Dhar Superintendent Engineer ka PHE Western Circle Nongstan uba T Karuban Executive Engineer ka PHE ipai pa nang song shnang nakathan Nongstan hakaba ka Shimti Hema Nayak IS Deputy Commissioner ka West Khasi Hills klalong ka Kongsan hakatay ka sngi la samru ikusnam shikishnang kibla pentre kam hong ya ka scheme mumdi kabla penpoy lingba ka Jaal Jivan Mission.
And for VWSC members, SHGs, so there have been so many programs in past few months. And this program we are doing at district headquarters, second program of similar kind. When we talk about water, till the time we get water supply in our home, when you open the tap and there is water, we don't realize the importance of water or electricity or internet. All these things, when things are happening and you get the internet on phone or you get the network, you have the electricity, we have light, we are charging our phone, everything is going well. But the moment it stops, for example, there is no current for one day, then we all start panicking, we call here and there, we ask people. Water also same thing. The moment it stops, we realize the difficulty. But till that time, we don't realize the importance. So why are we doing this type of programs is not just for today. We want to do the water conservation for the future generation so that the next offspring, they don't have to go through the challenges that we had gone through or our previous generations had gone through. In the villages, especially the mothers, they might know very well how difficult it used to be earlier. They had to search for water source, they have to travel, maybe people have to cross some hills also to go up and down the hill just to get water. Slowly things have changed and government had come up with lot of water supply schemes and everything. Now we had revamped under Government of India this scheme and now it is Jal Jeevan Mission. We have infrastructure now for the water supply. We have the source, we have the tank, we have the pipeline. Now our challenge is to get the uninterrupted water supply, for which we are facing immense challenge, not just in Meghalaya, in all the places, and more so for a district like West Khasi Hills, because it's vast district, villages are in remote areas, and some of the hamlets you must have seen just 10 households, 20 households, it's not easy. And second thing, we have both hilly area and we have plain area. We have plain area in the borders of Assam and Garo Hills, and hilly area we have in Nongstoin and surrounding areas. Both the places have their own challenges. If you look at the hilly area, we have source issues. The water source, they are drying up very fast. And if you see the Nongstoin town area, the population is growing. For example, today, if you look at India as a country, if you look at some states, now population, it's slowly coming down if you compare with other states. But if you see the states like Bihar or Meghalaya, the population is going up because of the total fertility rate. It's more than 3. So we have the population which is growing. You can see in Nongstoin town area, it is growing very fast. Now if you see Shillong and Tura, maybe after Shillong and Tura, Nongstoin must be the fastest growing in terms of urban area. And recently we have had one meeting with the town committee and with the Rangbashnongs of Nongstoin town area. They have shared their concern with us, this encroachment. Many, because they don't have land, now they are encroaching upon the water bodies. You must have seen these rivers. Earlier they were broad. Now slowly, because of encroachment and water level coming down, slowly the buildings are coming up and they are taking the pathway, waterway, and now we are facing immense challenges. You must have seen in past year 2025, December, January this year, Shillong had faced very big water crisis, and now not just urban areas, even in the village areas in Nongstoin and surrounding, we have this source issues. That is one. Secondly, plain areas. Plain area, we have huge population and they are facing contamination, water contamination issues. We have water, but this is not good quality water. It is not safe for drinking. So if you look at this entire issue, it affects the health, it affects the well-being, it affects the education, hospital, school, nothing we can have without having good water supply. And we have now Swachh Bharat mission. You must be the beneficiaries of SBM program. But if you see, we have SBM toilets everywhere, but there is no water connection. So this water issue that we are facing today, it will grow very serious in coming days. We are doing this type of programs to create awareness generation, and we want the community to take the leadership. We do not want to pressurize anybody to do any of these things. We want the community to have village level plans, VWSC meetings, and we want feedback from your